Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sesame, cabbage, carrot, and peanut salad. It's some ingredients that go really nicely in Chinese food, so I'm going to use some seasonings that you often find in Chinese recipes. Just sesame seeds, rice vinegar, and toasted sesame oil, which has a lovely nutty flavor, and it will go really nicely with the sesame seeds as well. So I'm going to start with some shredded cabbage. Now I cut this up in the food processor. There's a slicing blade that attaches to a stem, and you can just put the cabbage through. It'll slice it in seconds, save hours of your life. Here's some grated carrot, which I actually grated in the food processor as well. There's also a grating blade which attaches to the same stem, not at the same time of course, and it just grates the carrots really quickly. And then I'm going to add some chopped peanuts and some sesame seeds. I'm using the unhulled sesame seeds. You can use the white hulled sesame seeds, or you can even use the black sesame seeds, which will give it some nice color. So I'm going to add some salt, some rice vinegar, a little bit of sugar. It'll cut the tartness of the rice vinegar, and then some toasted sesame oil to give it that nice nutty flavor. And there you have a cabbage, carrot, sesame, and peanut salad.